Knowing the right direction for your air conditioner condenser fan blades to spin can save you from major headaches and keep your system running smooth. So, okay, the condenser fan blades are supposed to scoop air upward and outward. That's how they pull heat away from your AC coils. If they spin the wrong way, your unit won't cool right because it's not pushing hot air out like it should. When you look at the fan from the top, the blades usually curve in a way that moves air up and away from the condenser. If you're checking it out, make sure the motor shaft turns so the blades spin in that direction, not backward. If you ever need to replace or fix the blades, double check the manufacturer's specs because some designs are specific. Also, keep those blades clean and free of debris because dirt can mess with airflow. If your fan sounds weird or the AC is struggling to cool, it might be the fan direction or blade damage. A quick test is to turn the unit on and watch how the air moves near the condenser. You should feel air blowing up and away, not down or just swirling around. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser fan blades is assuming all fans spin clockwise or counterclockwise. Different brands and models vary, so guessing can wreck your cooling. Fix that by checking your AC manual or looking online for your exact model's fan blade direction. Another common issue is damaged or bent blades that don't move air properly. That's an easy fix by swapping them out for replacements designed for your unit. Third, some folks forget the importance of keeping the fan motor well lubricated and clean, which leads to slow or weak spinning. Regular maintenance with proper lubrication and cleaning keeps things running right. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff about AC repairs and installations. It also gives contractors a steady stream of work by connecting them with customers who need projects done right the first time.